Hello students, welcome to Praisheju. This is Scholarship Exam Standard 5th online class lecture. Subjects Mathematics. Today's topic is reading and writing numbers up to 10 digits. So in this video, first of all, we will cover the lecture, means the explanation about the how to read and the write the numbers up to the 10 digits. This is very important. Up to 10 digits we are going to learn. And then we will go through the some examples. We will try to understand all the examples and behind the examples the fundamental and the concepts. Okay, so let's go through the one by one. First of all, the number system increases by 10 times. This is already we have studied. Okay, if those students don't have, I will just summarize this one. So number one, unit, and then the tens. Okay, so one, this is the unit one. Okay, so from the unit one, we are writing from the right side towards the left side. So unit is the smallest one at the place value. The place value tens is the 10 times. Okay, this is the 10 times increases. The place value of the 100 is increases the 10 times of the tens, means it is a multiples of the tens. Okay, so here also 10 times, then the thousands means it is also increases the 10 times, means multiple by the tens. Same as like that one, from the 1000 to the 10,000 increases the 10 times, means the increases multiple by the 10 or in a 10 times increases. So then 10,000s to the lakhs is also multiples of the tens, or we can say multiply by the 10 times. Okay, so here also 10 times. Same for the 10 lakhs here. After the 10 lakhs, if we multiply by 10, then we will get the crores. So here also the 10 times. From the crores to the 10 crores, here also the 10 times. And from the 10 crores to the abja, same 10 times. Now these from place values from the unit to the abj is increases the value from right to the left hand. Okay, this is the increase. So left hand side, this number, whatever the place value of this number is the greater than the this one right side values. Okay, this is the number. Okay, incomplete number, the place value which is at the left side is more or bigger than the right side. But now how we can read it? But in a reading time we cannot be read from the right. Writing time we can identify the place values from the right, and then we can say something something lakhs or something something thousand or something something crores, like that one. But to read that one very easily and very easily visualization or identify what exactly the number have the place values, to make it that one we are making some groups. So here on the screen you can see the group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4 and group 5. Now here in this lecture we are studying up to the abja. Okay, after abja also some groups are there, but just concentration on up to the abja. Okay, now in a one group, so these three place values, these place values are considered in one group, means unit, 10 and 100. Then in the next group, 1000 and 10,000. Okay, so in the next group, 1000 and 10,000. In a group 3, 10 lakh and lakh. In group 4, 10 crore and crores. And in group 5, only abja. In group 5, 10 abja also there, but you just remember up to the abja for our scholarship exam purpose. Okay, now while reading, we will first read from the bigger group, whatever the place values in our systems. Okay, so suppose we will read this number. Okay, 7349720521. Is it the correct way? No, I cannot. If I read this like this one, you cannot understand what exactly the number is, that one. If suppose I can again repeat it, 7349720521, what is the value of this one? So you have to, then you will write down and then you will count the place values or some things. So is it the total incorrect way to convince or to read the numbers? Okay, to easily understand and easily identify the value of that particular number, we have to read in something groupings. Okay, so we call groups in the names. Okay, so what will we will make all the groups. Suppose we have made this group 5 to 1, of means group 1. Okay, then the two digits means 1000 and 10,000, this 1000 and this 10,000. Okay, but before that one I will just confirm this is the unit. Okay, and then this is the tens, then this is the hundreds, this is thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, then crores, 10 crores, and this is the abja. Okay, I will bring you in a next slide. Same like this one, unit. Okay, tens, thousand. I have make the same different color here. So this is the one group. Okay, so this group unit, tens and hundreds. Okay, so this group I make, and then I make the another one. This group second means thousands group, and then this is the thousand, and this is the 10,000s place. Okay, so as like this one, I have marked this number to like this numbering grouping. So 20 is another numbers means 10,000 and thousands. Then for the lakhs and 10 lakhs, here lakhs and 10 lakhs, the number is the same, just I presented in a two ways. Okay, just concentrate on here. Then crore and the 10 crore. Okay, so this one is the lakhs groups, and then is the crore groups mean crore, and this 10 crore. Okay, and then abja. Okay, this one is the abja. So now I have made this number, or I have written this number in a separate grouping forms. Okay, while making, to identify, I just make a commas here. Okay, to make it the group separately or to identify the groupings. Okay, the number is the same, the value of the number is that doesn't change. Okay, this number and this number, both the number have the same values. Only writing method, I'm again repeating, only the writing method to read properly or to understand that number, we are making such an arrangement that we can easily identify the numbers value or numbers correctly in a different way identifications. Okay, so this group 1 2 3 4 5, like this one, this group 1 is unit tens, hundred, then group 2 thousands and 10,000s. Okay, then group 3 lakhs and 10 lakhs, lakhs and 10 lakhs, group 4 crores and 10 crores, and group 5 abja. Like this one I just mark out for your understanding purpose. Then we will make the commas here. Okay, now the place values of here is the unit, and the place values of here is the abja. Of course this is the bigger number place values than this one. The values of the number are the same, but only the difference in writing and the reading. Okay, now comes to the next slide. Here the same, I make the grouping and with the commas also. Now I can easily understand. Okay, I can easily understand. Okay, this one is the 1 2 3 4 4 group means this is the 7 abj. Okay, if I make it the very easily 97 lakhs, I can easily understand and I can easily read it that one like 20,000. Okay, or we can say 34 crores, like this one. How? Because of this comma and the number of groups. So this can be very easily understanding the value of the particular number, or we can say the number's place value. Okay, it can be easily while listening the numbers, we can easily write it very fastly, or we can say while reading that number we can easily read that one. Otherwise the bigger number cannot be read very easily, or their values, or we cannot say exactly what exactly the place value of that one. Now we can identify very easily their place values here after this grouping, or we can say the commas. Okay, so in this is the Indian number system. Okay, now whatever I am talking about you, this is the Indian numbers system. Okay, later on international number systems also there, but right now in this chapter we are concentrating on the Indian number systems. Okay, so the method of the writing numbers, the method of the writing numbers, while you are writing not from the right side, means we are place values we are counting from the right sides. Okay, but while reading we have to go from the left side, just like the words. Okay, because we are reading in words, not exactly the numerals. Okay, the words, we are reading the numbers in the words, so we are reading from the left side. Suppose I says the lakhs something, then something thousands, and something hundreds, and then something tens, or something whatever the two digit numbers. then you will write it in a this same way, left to the right way. Okay, so write the numbers in numerals. First write the digit at the highest place. Means highest place means, suppose this is the number, whatever the place value here and here. So this is the right side and this is the left side. Of course, I just said the place values in the left sides are greater than the place values at the right sides. Of course, we have to read first the bigger one. Okay, like this in our example, this is the highest place values. Okay, so we have to read it from this way, not from this way. Okay, the place values we are counted from this way, but the reading from this way and writing also from this way. Okay, I hope you students understand this one. So you just concentrate on these tables, just read these tables and understand. In our books also the same has given, so please read this table in your book and make the all the groupings. One time you just write down your in notebook with the groups numbers and the place values, and take any numbers and then try to read it, and then again after the groupings with a comma, then try to read it. You will recognize some very easiness of the recognition of identification or reading the way. Okay, so this small exercise you can do at yourself also. Okay, so just I said, they use the comma to show numbers in group to read the and identify the groups very easily. Okay, so this is the writing way, or we can say the method of the writing the numbers or reading the numbers. Okay, then 1/4, half, and 3/4. This is very important. 1/4 means 1/4, 1 by 4. This is a fraction, 1/4. Any parts, any numbers, if we are make the four equal parts, out of that four parts, one part we can say 1/4 of that particular number. Okay, suppose if we take the 100 number, 100 numbers, 1/4 of the 100, how much? 25. We have to multiply 1/4 with this number, then we will get the 25. Means in another way we can say the quarter. The same meaning, 1/4 means the quarter of that particularly number. Okay, quarter means 1/4. Okay, in this case we have to multiply this 1 by 4 with that particularly number. If suppose 100, then 100. If suppose 1000, then 1000. If suppose 10,000, then 10,000, like this one. Okay, so this is the 1/4. Okay, so try to calculate another hundreds, take it the another number and then 1/4, if that is can be divisible by the 4. Now we will concentrate about the numbers. Now 100 can be divisible by 4, so 1/4 of 100 means 1 by 4 multiply 100, sorry, is equals to 25. 1/4 of the thousands means 1 by 4 multiply by 1000 means 250. Okay, in this case here 1 lakh, so 1 lakhs 1/4 is the 25,000. Like this one, 1 crores means here 25 lakhs. Okay, now half of the number, half means half, what we say, half 1 by 2, completely exactly two parts, equal parts, that is says the half. Okay, means divided by the 2, that number. In previously we are divided by 4, means we are multiplied by 1 by 4. Okay, in the same way, divided by 2, or we can say multiply by 1 by 2. Okay, that will comes the half. So half of the number means half of the, suppose 100 here, what will comes? The 50. Half of a number, half of the 1000, 500. Half of the 1 lakh, here the 50,000. Okay, means half of that one. Okay, इसे आधा करना बोलते हैं हम, जैसे ये तो आध करना. Okay, तो this is the 1 crore. So here 50 lakh, like this one. So half a number means multiply by 1 by 2, or we can say divide by 2 in the same way. Then 3/4 a number. 3/4 means 3 and 4th. Okay, 3 is the multiplication and 4 is the divisions. So 3/4 of that number. In that case, divided first by 4 with that number and then multiply by these 3. So 1/4 already we have calculated, 25 of that 100, then multiply by 3. So 25 multiplied by 3, we get the 75, like this way. So multiply by 3 by 4, which will comes the 3/4 of a number. So for the 100 number, the 3/4 is 75. Like this one for 1000, 750 is the 3/4 of the 1000 number. So you just understand 1/4, half, and 3/4. Let's understand with the examples. Question number 1. Write the number. Now here we can understand the commas are here given. So we will just before the reading with time 1, 2, and 3 or 4. Okay, so this is the thousands place. This is the lakhs place. This is the crore, and then this is the abja place. Okay, so write the number. Now we will read this number. 7 abja, 4 crore, 25 lakh, then 0,000. So no need to speak about thousand. Even 100 also 0 means no need to speak. Then 10 plus 0 given, then directly unit plus 7 mentioned. So we will directly say the 7. Once again I am reading 7 abja 4 crore 25 lakh 7. Okay. So now in a question asking in a words. So we will check the first possibility. We have to read from this way. Okay. So 7 abja. 7 abja where the given in option 1 is given. Option 2 is in given. Option 3 is 7,000. No, this is the wrong. So option number 4, 7 abja mentioned. Okay, so out of these three options, our correct option is there. Next, 4 crore. So 4 crore. Here 4 lakh is mentioned. So now this is wrong. Now 4 crore here mentioned. But in option 4, 400 is mentioned. No, which is also wrong. Now we have only one option. Option number 2. We will continue our reading. So 25 lakhs. We will check it the 25 lakh. Okay, this is the correct. And then 7 and 7. Okay, so option number 2 is the correct way. Okay, write this one. We have to read all the numbers from the left toward the right. Means from the bigger number toward the smaller number place values. Okay, let's move to the question number 2. Write the number in numeral 5 abja. Here the comma mention. Okay, 5 abja. Just we will write down 5. Okay, then comma. We know this is the abja means again two digits will come for the crore, then two digits for the lakhs, then two digits for the thousands, and then last three digits for the hundred, then tens and the units respectively comes. Now we will get exactly the number of the highest place values, which is the 5, means the 5 abja here. Then 17 crore, 17 crore. After the abja, the two place values means 17, 17 crores. Then 12 lakhs, 1 and 2, 12 lakhs. Then 1000 place, what was they are mentioned? 11,000. So 1 and 1, 11. Then 715, 700, 715, 15. Okay, so 1 5. Now check it this number in which option. 517, this is 516. No, this is wrong. 517. Okay, then 12, then 715. No, this is the very smaller one. Okay, 11 missing, so this is the wrong one. Then 51, 5, then 17, then 12, then 11, then 715. This is the correct one. Just check out fourth option also. 517, then 1211, then this is two number. Oh, this is the wrong way. Okay, so the option number 3 is the correct one. Next question, which is correct option for 6 crore? 6 crore. So we have first write down the 6, and this is the just crore means after the crore, 2 place for the lakhs, and then 2 place for the thousands, and the 3 place will comes. Now after the 6 crore nothing is mentioned means there are the 0. Okay, so all the places place values are the uh, maintaining the face value as a 0. So look at this, where is mentioned this number in our option. So in our option 1 we will check out This is the how many number zeros here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, crore have the 7, lakh have the 5, and abja have the 9s. Okay, so here 1 2 3 1 2. Oh, this is the only 60 lakhs. No, this is the wrong one. This is the only 6 lakh. Wrong one. This is 6,000. Wrong one. Here 6 crore. Okay, so option number 4 is the correct one. Like this way, we have to read properly all the questions with their all the options. Okay, thank you. Bye.